joy. And we call it like a tracking how much joy we're having.
We're heading into Labor Day. It's the last gasp of summer. And so this is a wonderful little dip that you can bring to any like parties, cookouts, picnics that you're going to. Really easy to assemble and it's always universally loved. Start with dill pickle. You add that small, like finely chopped dill pickle and then some red bell pepper for color. Then I have some chopped pickled jalapeno, and I pickle my own jalapenos. I quick pickle them. Again, jarred is just fine. And if you like fresh, that's also great. Fresh cilantro for that salsa flavor. Dill pickle brine for an extra pop of deliciousness. And some garlic. I recommend either grating with a microplane zester or using a garlic press. Either one will work just fine. Fresh lime. Add that. So go ahead and mix that up. Serve it with tortilla chips, or it's great on as a sandwich topping. It's sort of like a relish, but with more of a kick.